Good morning. I wanted to share with you what I have for breakfast every morning without fail. This is the first thing I eat, or I should say drink, every day. It's my elixir. So it's a combination of things I've cultivated over the years, figured out what works for me, the flavoring and all the nutrients that are involved. And I kind of mix it up sometimes, but this is my staple. So here we go. Morning green drink. So first, I take a scoop of green amazing grass. The green superfood. It's amazing grass energy watermelon flavor. So this is the one that helps with the flavor and gives you all that natural caffeine from matcha and yerba mate. Then we have the other amazing grass. I'm an amazing fan of amazing grass. We have the alkalis and detox. So that one is a really important one I like to include for myself. You want to have an alkaline environment. Keeps away any disease and illness. They don't like alkaline environments. So you want to keep yourself alkaline. Then we have for our protein and collagen. So collagen protein, this is a multi-collagen. It's got type 1, 2, 3, 4, and 10? What is that, 10? So I got to study up and brush up on the collagen info, but yeah, 2 scoops of that. And sometimes I use another collagen. I'm a fan of a few different types, but this is a newer one that I'm trying that I really like. It's got a lot of good stuff. So, and now I'm going to give that's the basic of the green drink, okay? And this is all going to get mixed up. But I am going to add some adaptogens. What are adaptogens? Well, they help us adapt to stress and stuff. So I'm not going to put in a whole scoop of that. Just like half a scoop. All right. And look, I don't know if you can see, but it collects kind of like staticky, but it doesn't, the others don't do that. So something about the adaptogens. So you put that in there. They're like crystals. They crystallize in here and they're like magnets. Okay. This is our morning elixir. We're going to fuel our bodies and minds, protein, greens, all the superfoods, energies. There's so much good stuff in here. While I'm mixing, I can share with you the alkalis and detox has 7 alkalis in greens: lemon peel, dandelion root, turmeric root, ginger root, garlic, fennel seed, peppermint leaf, cayenne pepper, parsley leaf, aloe vera, and more. So that's just some of the good stuff in here. And this one's got wheatgrass, barley grass, alfalfa, spirulina, chlorella, broccoli, spinach, carrot, beetroot, pineapple, acai berry, maca root, and more. So all those good things. And then the adaptogens that we were talking about with the ashwagandha, I don't even know how to, you're supposed to be able to pronounce everything. I'm totally going to mess it up. The rhodiola, tulsi, more. So organic adaptogens combines farm fresh wheatgrass and balancing adaptogenic herbs. Adaptogens have been used in traditional Ayurvedic medicine and Chinese cultures for centuries and are believed to help support the body's ability to adapt and manage daily stressors. I think we all need that. Each serving provides the ultimate boost to your daily routine so you can feel amazing every day. And it really does. I really like including this one as a little boost. I don't do it every day, but, hey, today's a good day to feel like I'm ready to adapt to some stress. Bring it. No, I'm not really asking the universe to bring the stress. You get what you put out there. So I'm just ready to go with the flow and enjoy this green drink right here. So depending on how much water did I put in here? That's a good question. Did you ask that question? I don't know. But now that I've brought it up, it's really about 4 ounces, but it depends. I just kind of eyeball it. And if you see, it kind of gets a little stuck on the spoon sometimes. So I'll just use another spoon, scrape it off. I enjoy stirring. The stirring action is very meditative. So generally, if I'm not recording what I'm doing here, then I'm just sitting here and stirring and appreciating the nourishment that I'm about to ingest and carry with me, and feel appreciative of my body and the day ahead. I'll look outside the window and see what the weather holds for me today. So this is just a really great morning activity that I have instilled in my own practice. Of the past, I'd say about 4 years I've been doing this. And it's one I highly recommend. I bring my greens with me on vacation wherever I am. I have little to-go packets. I never have to worry about being hungry. This fills you up for a while. So should I fill in? I'm thinking it's because I added in the adaptogens, it's a little thick. All right, so I think I'm going to add a little more water. Let's see, add some right here. Just to liquefy it a little bit, to get it down a little easier. That's better. Now that looks like I can drink it and chug it and not kind of choke it down. Okay. So yeah, so I'm gonna drink this, and there actually is a technique. I like to come up with techniques. How do I drink this? I don't really drink it for the flavor. It never really tasted good to me to begin with, but it wasn't terrible. It was just something that you gotta shoot it down. I even wrote a song about it called Bad Taste, and the hook goes, don't let it sit on your tongue for too long. So you just wanna get it down, and I feel like Popeye when I drink it. Like as soon as you get it down, you feel stronger. So I do a breath work technique, which is also just great in general. It's great to breathe and practice your breath work. So prior to drinking it, I take a nice inhale, filling up your belly, and exhale. Then I toss a spoon, take another inhale, and chug. Yay! Give yourself an applause. Green mouth, healthy body, that's good. You want a green mouth. Rinse it out with some water and drink up, hydrate with water. And I actually have a whole other segment for you about water, and we can get into hydration, how much water you should be drinking depending on your activity and your body weight and all that stuff. And then also just plain water, or do we want to add some good yummy stuff in there? I think the answer is pretty obvious. I like to add stuff to my water. What stuff do I add to my water? Find out. Wishing you guys an amazing day, a healthy day, a nutrient-rich day, mind, body, and soul. So stick around, give this video a like, and subscribe to the YouTube channel that I have up for you guys, where I'm going to be sharing more healthy tips and tricks and ways to live a long, healthy, vibrant life. Namaste.